day everyone, this is our mini vlog where we would like to share with you our experiences and learnings at the retreat with the Team Edge.
Pabas!
Nagagay ka ba? Pagod? Ikaw sa unang activity. Sa lalamunan na hirap mag-coach. Ay, sabi ko. Ay, nagagay. Ay, kuya. Ikaw.
Worship is our proper response kung sino ang Panginoon at kung ano ang ginawa niya sa buhay natin. Hindi lang dapat dito nagtatapos, kundi araw-araw tayo nagpupuri at sumasamba sa Panginoon. Because worship is a lifestyle. Pagsamba at pagpupuri na handang magpabasag at handang magpakumbaba sa Diyos. Let David's prayer be our daily prayer, that the Spirit and the presence of the Lord will not be taken away from us. If we want to be changed, if we want to be restored, if we want to be transformed and revived, kailangan natin ng tulong ng Holy Spirit, ang tulong ng Banal na Espiritu Santo. SOS, life of submission, life of obedience, and life of surrender.